looking for a cabin that backs up to public land where you can have your own private access right to Lake Cascade, you're definitely going to want to check out 57 Sunset Loop. So all of this, all the way up to the house, is the backyard, and right here is where we cross over onto the public land. So you can see just a short walk from the house, right before we get to Cascade Lake, we're going to hit Crown Point Trail, which goes along the lakeside all the way down. It's a huge trail where you can either bike or walk in the summer, or in the winter you can cross-country ski, and this stays groomed. So when the current owner uses the home, he usually anchors his boat right up here and then, just walks into the house and leaves it there for the weekend. Uses the house while he's here and the boat. And then when he's heading out, I guess he takes the boat back home with him. But it's just super easy access to Cascade Lake and to the Crown Point Trail right from your backyard. So when you walk through the house, you'll see that it's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath. It does have a wood-burning stove, really nice high ceilings throughout the home. It's a pretty simple house. It has a balcony that goes almost all the way around the outside. The whole property is just under a ½ acre. And another important thing to know is this house does have a brand new roof as of 2021, and those do have a really long lifespan for a metal roof. So if you're looking for more information about this home, definitely reach out. I'm happy to answer any questions or set up a showing. If you want to learn more about the Crown Point subdivision, we did do a video a few months back about the Crown Point subdivision, so you can click here and watch that for more information.